I think my village is the best in China. You can see it, and then you can have your own perceptions of this. It's very flat. Everywhere is flat, you can see. It's easy to construct the infrastructures. The road is flat, clean. There's a lot of trees. The sky is blue. The birds are singing. Yeah, it's great. Everyone has one car. Sparrows, magpies. Look around here. The farmers can grow the crops in the fields. It's very vast, flat. There are two bird nests on the tree, or you can say in the tree. Huge. The air is pretty fresh. You can see the moon. It's different from where Miss Li lives in Sichuan. Senorita Li. This is the road leading to the county, to the downtown. That is a lake. The trees are everywhere. What a wonderful village here. It's more beautiful in summertime.